Skanking. You may not be aware of the dangers, in fact you may have never heard of them, but the originally harmless pastime of performing the skank has turned into a national epidemic that has impacted the lives of over 6 people. 7 people, to be exact. My name is Dr. Hoover. I've been researching this subject for over 3 days, and have won an Oscar for Best Skankologist in a Motion Picture. Today, I would like to invite you into the home of a family that is impacted on a daily basis by this rare disease. This is the home of Kyle. He's been diagnosed with stage 12 skankatosis. He talks and thinks like a normal person, but his body has been overcome by the skank. Now, Kyle, when did you first start skanking?
I've been skanking ever since I was born, for as long as I can remember, even before I could walk.
And what do your friends think about this?
What friends?
My life sucks because of my brother. At school, everyone picks on me because I'm not him, because I'm not as cool as him. They got nicknames for him like Mr. Skank or Crank the Skank or Skanky McDanky. They keep telling me I'll never be as good of a dancer as him, and part of me believes it.
Now, don't get me wrong. I love my son, but it's embarrassing. We can't go out to nice places to eat, and we can't go see a movie without getting funny looks at people. I can't even take him fishing without his skanking rocking the boat.
Well, the way I see it, Kyle is just trying to express himself, show off his heart. He dances because it's who he is. He can't help it.
Now, Kyle, I have to ask, why is it that you skank?
Well, a part of me has to, and a part of me is freed by it.
Freed by it. Would you go deeper into that?
Of course, I can go deeper into my mind. So, how does it feel?
All that skanking deserves an Oscar.